Now, this idea that there's no intellectual heritage in Timbuktu left, most black scholars believe that West Africa's intellectual heritage was mostly destroyed after 1591. And this is still the mainstream view. But new evidence has forced a paradigm shift. Black families in Timbuktu still own around 60 private libraries today. And these family collections have survived political turbulence, climatic fluctuations, and despite floods, fire, insects, pillaging, and plunder, wait for it, 1 million manuscripts may have survived. For example, this photograph is of Mokhtar Sidi Yahya El-Wangari, and he is the director of a 16th century Timbuktu library owned by his distant ancestor, Professor Mohammed Bagayogo El-Wangari. However, during the colonial period, which is where France conquered West Africa, many manuscripts were seized and burned. And following natural disasters like droughts, many people buried their manuscripts and fled. So the big question is why hasn't all this been recognized before?